There it is again. We're even closer this time. Look at it.
UFO? You hear any thunder?
No.
Exactly.
There ain't no moisture in there. That's why it can't
dark.
be. Yeah, exactly. Plus,
Remember I told you where were the temp clouds yesterday, babe?
plus, why would there be a cloud that big?
Exactly.
Unless
all one little spot.
Exactly. Unless it was covering up something, and it's flashing too. So it has to be something of the government or a UFO or a wormhole or something like that. Trippy.
You don't hear no thunder, right? You see all that fucking lightning and that no thunder. I'm making my pipe on this.
Oh my god.
Way to ruin the video.
Hey, hey. Ginger, look. See all that. Can I put this on YouTube?
If you want. Stop it.
Oh, wait, no. That's...
Oh, you can do it with your phone.
I was gonna try and do it with my tablet. No, but I remember I can't put it on online anyways because my thing doesn't work, remember? Dang. So trippy, man. Whoa. You'd have to be here, man. You know what? They're probably like making electrical connections with the aliens, trying to send out signals and stuff. And then
What is that? Did I take off the focus off my phone? You see, stop it.